Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to integrate Google Calendar with your board on Monday.com. So if you're working on Monday.com and if you need to integrate Google Calendar, because nowadays everybody likes to have all their data on the cloud. So Google Calendar is also one of them that you have a calendar on the cloud and you add events to it, add information to it, add files to it, on relevant dates. So this is the reason why Google Calendar is used for. But if you want to integrate it with your Monday.com, so you just need to follow this video, and by the end, you'll know how to do it and you'll be good to go. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com. Once when you log in, you will be redirected here on this home page. You can see that these are the boards that I've been working on, and on the left side, you can see a panel, and there are several boards here that I'm working on, and we can open any board that we want. For example, if this is the board that we open, and now you can see that I have this email column right here, clients column, status, people, priority, due date. So for example, if I want to add a column, because in order to integrate Google Calendar, you have to do it. So I click on this plus icon, and then what do I need to do? I need to click on timeline, and here what I can do is I can set dates for the timeline of this work. But in order to integrate your calendar, what do you need to do? You need to go here and click on these three dots. You can see right here. And then what do you need to do? There are some options here of renaming, deleting it, change column type, but you need to go here on settings. And once when you go here, you need to click on customize setting. Here you can see that you have this option of syncing your Google Calendar. You can have, another calendar as well. If you need that, for example, Apple's calendar or any other online calendar. But the most popular and most famous one, I can say that the most used one between clients and agencies and marketing firms and industries is actually Google Calendar. So it's as popular as it is. So what do we need to do? We just need to click on sync, and after clicking on sync, we'll be taken to a portal where we need to log in into a Google Calendar. And once when we do that, it will automatically sync your Google Calendar to this board that you have on Monday.com on your timeline. So that's how easy it is. That's how you sync it. And it's up to you that you want to sync it for yourself or for all the items on this board. So if we click sync, then it will be synced and we'll need to connect our Google account for that. So that's how easy it is. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.